So we start this video off by heading to the track, I guess. I'm working on that tune right now. But we're gonna be going to the track today, seeing what it runs. Hopefully it runs good. It'll be my first boost tune. So we'll see how it goes and keep you updated. We're taking the Escalade. Yes, sir. Taking the Escalade because we don't have another whip right now. And yeah, my brother's gonna be coming with us. He's right there. Alright boys, now pulling up at the 6.0, the 4.8, and the Escalade.
My right leg.
This will be left lane though?
I like right.
Alright bro, so got to the track. I'm gonna pour a little bit of fuel because it is a little bit of rich getting into like a P mode or whatever. Get into boost, it gets a little rich, so I put a little bit of fuel there, and the rest of it I just left it alone. My little welding cap. No, but this is my first tune, my first boost tune. I'm also working on my Trans Am, but that's me like a later video. We got Ricky, the driver, him.
What's up, bro?
Yeah, we're doing that with my brother. Hoping around the Super maybe. That'd be sick. So we're gonna go ahead and just get this tune written in real quick. He's fast. Hey, but he made it down the track. Yeah. First tune, first pass. Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir. Made it down the track. That's all that matters. We made it down the track. We made it down the track. We made it down the track. Finally put the gap. Yeah, it's fast.
Got the shit out
yeah,
of me,
he did gap you.
Hey, bro, fuck Audis, bro. I'm not racing no more Audis.
I'm not racing no more Audis.
We gotta wait until
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, Rose, my first tune. We threw in it. They run us. Yeah, they can't even see it. 779 at 91 miles an hour. 184, 60 foot.
Where's Ricky at? Where's Ricky at?
He's out of injector.
We don't have injectors.
He's out of injector, dude. You're out of injector, bro.
Hey, fuck it. Go to Jerry's house and grab some injectors and come back.
Bring the deckers out. Exactly what you told him. He ready. He started building boost. But and I didn't data log that. But I did add some time into the converter, like the converter hit. Added time in there. I pulled some fuel out to try to make it.
Squirrely like a motherfucker.
Yeah, it did get squirrely. It did spin a little bit. And I didn't data log none of that. But he red lit.
Bro, everybody fucking was left lane all day.
So he red lit. But it was the pass. Now he's gonna race this truck. Boosted crew cab, that bitch is bad. Yeah. $5. Come on, dog. Like I was saying, bro, like it's my tune. God damn, I can't even talk. Good race, bro. Good race. Good race. Thank you. Alright, so this is the 3 passes. Fuck. Damn, I can't even get them good. It's a 779, 794, and a 771. Overall, we're happy with this.
Proof that you can self-tune.
Yeah, I'm happy with it. It made it down the track. It's probably not perfect. I didn't need to dial it in perfect, but we literally have like an hour tuning before we came here. We just got here.
You got hyped up. We're like fucking mistaken.
It made one full pull. He was all right. We're going to the track.
Probably took.
It made one complete pull, first and second gear, and he was all right. Track time. But yeah, I appreciate him letting me like practice tuning on his. I've never even tuned anything before. It's my first boost tune.
Very good.
Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you.
I like it. Subscribe.
Yeah.
I like it.
So I'm gonna end the video off here. I'm not gonna end any videos off. But I'm gonna end it off here. The camera's about to die. Got my wedding cap. Trying to get some made. But yeah, we're gonna get out of here. We took 3 L's today, but we took a big ass W, which is good. So yeah, we're gonna get out of here in peace. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna pick back up. We got some more content coming. We got more content actually now. So yeah, we're good. We're set. All right, peace.